What's up, guys? It's the Eagle back here for another episode of Eagle Eats, and today we're checking out Wine for Oysters right there. This is gonna be the first in our Eagle Eats seafood series, trying to find some really good local seafood places here in Orlando and around the Central Florida area. So let's go ahead inside, go in and have us some delicious oysters and some delicious wine. Alright guys, we got the hot oyster sampler here. So we got Rockefeller, grilled cheese, Kilpatrick on fire. What are these? Go through and look at each one real quick. Alright, let's go ahead and dive in. I'll let you know exactly what I think after we're done. Alright guys, you see we've tried one of each. And so far they're all really good. Of course you see these ones here have bacon in them, so you can't go wrong with that. But yeah, they're all really good. So I can't really pick a favorite yet. Let's go ahead and finish these last four and I'll let you know what I think. Alright guys, finished every one of them and they were amazing. Look at that. Love me some oysters. I'm gonna do like these crisps here instead of like regular like salted crackers, which is actually really good. Alright guys, that was Wine for Oysters. Wow, really good. I probably was finished with my food a while ago, but talking to the owner, wow, we shared some good stories. I loved this place. The owner, and I'm here on a Sunday, was here with her, her kids and her husband. They're from Russia. I loved it. Such a really good experience. So I will link them below. Definitely check out Wine for Oysters. I will be back. This is a great start to the Eagle Eats seafood series. Alright guys, well, I will talk to you later. I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a great day.